Maintaining a yard covered in pine needles requires the right tool, one that's durable, lightweight, and effective on uneven terrain. The best hand rakes for pine needles offer ergonomic designs, sturdy tines, and adjustable handles for versatile. List 1. While not a traditional rake, USA Pine Straw Premium Pine Needle Mulch is an excellent companion product for maintaining a pine-covered yard. It provides a clean, natural layer that enhances soil moisture retention and protects against erosion. This mulch is long-lasting, spreading easily over gardens, pathways, or landscaped areas. Its premium quality ensures minimal dust and debris, keeping outdoor spaces tidy and aesthetically appealing. For homeowners looking to complement their raking efforts with organic mulch that blends seamlessly with pine surroundings, this product is ideal. It's environmentally friendly and helps maintain a neat and polished yard appearance. List 2. The Groundskeeper 2 Rake 55-inch lightweight fiberglass handle. Known for its innovative design, the Groundskeeper 2 is a top choice for efficiently raking pine needles. Its 55-inch lightweight fiberglass handle provides excellent reach and reduces user fatigue. The rake features 28 flexible yet strong steel tines, which allow it to glide over various surfaces, including grass, gravel, and soil, without damaging underlying turf. Unlike traditional rakes that tend to clog, this tool releases collected debris easily, saving time and effort. It is ideal for larger yards, heavy-duty use, and users seeking a balance of durability and comfort. Its bright yellow handle ensures visibility in storage or outdoor settings. List 3. Tabor Tools Adjustable Metal Rake, Collapsible and Telescopic. For gardeners needing a versatile and portable option, the Tabor Tools Adjustable Metal Rake is a perfect fit. This collapsible rake features a telescopic handle that extends for maximum reach and retracts for compact storage, ideal for small sheds or vehicles. Its adjustable head allows users to switch between a wide spread for gathering pine needles and a narrower setting for tight spaces. Built with rust-resistant metal, it ensures durability even in damp outdoor conditions. Lightweight yet sturdy, it is an excellent choice for homeowners who value flexibility, ease of transport, and space-saving design. List number. Fiskars 3-in-1 garden tool set includes trowel, transplanter. While primarily designed for gardening tasks, the Fiskars 3-in-1 garden tool set offers excellent value for small-scale pine needle cleanup. The set includes a trowel, transplanter, and cultivator, making it a multi-purpose addition to your yard care arsenal. The tools are constructed from rust-resistant, durable materials and feature comfortable handles designed to reduce hand strain. While not a full-size rake, this set is useful for clearing pine needles from small garden beds, around shrubs, or in areas where precision work is needed. Perfect for gardeners seeking both versatility and quality in a compact set. List 5. Walensee 5.4 FT Bow Rake Heavy-Duty Garden Rake with Stainless Steel Handle. For heavy-duty raking, the Walensee 5.4 FT Bow Rake is a reliable performer. Its stainless steel handle provides strength and resistance to bending, while the wide rake head ensures efficient pine needle collection. The ergonomic design and 5.4-foot length make it comfortable for extended use, reducing strain on the back and shoulders. Its reinforced tines handle thick layers of pine needles with ease, while the rust-proof coating extends the tool's lifespan. Suitable for professional landscapers or homeowners tackling larger yards, this rake offers a blend of rugged durability and user-friendly handling.